Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, January 12th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. For those of us who are already part of LiveGood, you know that on Thursday it's payday. So I thought I'd shoot a quick video and show you my back office and show you what I earned this past week, okay? Also, for you pre-enrollees or for those of you thinking of joining LiveGood, you have until tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to lock in the best possible position in our matrix. Okay, and I'll go over that in a little bit. But first of all, I just want to log in my back office here. All right, and I'm going to go down here and click on my earnings. All right, and you can see up here, Russ5, this is my account. And today, all right, so the pay period was from December 31st until January 6th. You can see that I earned $165. All right, I'm going to click on this so I can show you the breakdown. Okay, so I earned $33 on our membership referral bonus. All right, and I'm just going to show you how this breaks down. All right, as you can see here, I only enrolled one person during this pay period, and I earned a $5 commission on this. All right, you earn 50% on your personal referrals, and this is off of the $9.95 per month membership, so I earned $5 here. But then I earned $1 on all of these folks below me. All right, and this is from my second level. All right, so I earned $1 on every one of these people. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you the affiliate referral bonus. I earned $132. All right, so I'm just going to click here on detailed view. All right, and this is, you earn 50% on your referral, all your personal referrals. And here I earned $20 on the one referral that I had, all right? So that's half of the $40 that they pay to become an affiliate. And then all of these other people, I earned $4 on. I earned 10% on my second level. And I earned $4 on all of these folks who came in. All right, for a total of $132. All right, so the 33 and the 132 equals 165. This is already pending in my bank account, and this is the third time that I've gotten paid already in my 3 weeks with LiveGood. All right, you can go back on, I joined on December 21st, so that fell in this pay period, and I had one referral, so I earned $25. Last pay period was from December 24th to December 30th, all right, and that was paid out on January 5th. I earned $200. And then again today, you can see right here, the date paid was January 12th. I earned $165. So folks, if you're part of this already, watching this, or you're thinking about joining, it's important that when you join, you want to get ranked up to bronze as quickly as possible, okay? And that only means you refer 2 people. All right, everybody knows 2 people who are looking to either get healthy and/or supplement their income. All right, so it's an easy sell for people. These products are awesome. Again, I'm drinking this right now. This is the Super Reds as I film this, and I have tons of energy. I'm focused, and I can just go all day long. All right, without stopping. So, anyway, that's. You know, there's 2 ways you can earn with this. You can sit back and let the spillover happen over time. You know, it might take 6 months, it might take a year, but eventually you'll earn something. And that's the easy way to do it. Or you can get in here, refer 2 people, rank up to bronze, and you're going to double your earnings, your potential earnings in the matrix just by referring 2 people. All right, not only that, you can see I'm getting paid 10% on my second level. All right, so everybody that I refer, and when they refer somebody, I'm going to earn on all those people, okay? So I've been in this for, this is my 3rd pay check that I received, and I've earned a total of $390 so far. So it's not too bad, right? All right, and I'm just going to show you one other thing here. I'm going to go up to my team and click on Enroller Tree. Now this is all going to update tonight after midnight, all right? So everybody has until 11:59, like I mentioned, to lock in the best possible position in the matrix. Once this updates tonight, you're going to see, well, first of all, you'll see here I have 11 personally enrolled customers and affiliates. That moves me up into the silver ranking. All right, and that opens up even, it's the 3rd and 4th level open up now. I'm going to get paid 5% on for everybody on underneath me. And if I go here and click all, I'm going to show you that I have 123 people under me in the matrix right now. Okay? So, and that's just this month, 123 this month. That's not already counting the people. Look at this. That's not counting all the people that are already in my matrix from the last time this was updated. Look at that. I've got people down on the 11th level already. And you earn on these in the matrix. Every month you get monthly pay. Okay? So I am super happy with this company. I love everything about it. The products are awesome. The team behind LiveGood, Ben Glinsky, Nadar Kazan, Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, they're awesome. All awesome people. They care. You can see right here, this is the monthly pay. And I didn't get anything because you have to be in this a month in order to get the matrix pay. All right. So this was the first, where I signed up on the 21st and transitioned over to January. I hadn't been in the company long enough to receive this. So next month, all right, in February, I should have something here for my monthly matrix and the matching bonuses. So, but yeah, I'm super excited about this. The products are awesome. Everything's great. If you want more information on the products, I have a link down below where you can shop the products. We have all kinds of cool stuff. I also did other videos about the products. And then if you want to learn more about the business opportunity and how you can earn money like this, potentially, there's no guarantee. All the earning disclaimers are down in the description box. Click the link down below. You'll be taken to my page that looks just like this. All right, it's going to say, welcome to Russ5's website. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video here that goes over everything you need to know to make an informed decision on if this is something right for you or not. If it is something that you find is for you, you can put your first name, last name, email, click reserve my position. And then again, you have until 11:59 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, January 12th, to lock in the best possible position in our matrix, okay? And one other thing I'm doing for people, all my personal referrals, I am taking their website that looks like this, I'm putting it into our team rotator, and I'm keeping it in our team rotator until they rank up to bronze, all right? So I'm giving you guys a little bit of help. It's nothing that you should rely on 100%. There's no guarantee that you're going to get signups from the traffic that I'm sending you, but it is something to get you motivated and to help you get your business started, okay? So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. All right, so that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.